Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors. This is a quick intro guide to our Framola kit. We're going to show you how to build it. This is before, so we needed to clear the ground and set up the post bases. This is our easy form concrete shuttering. They work perfectly with a Framola. So we laid it out, measured it, and for our ground we're only installing the light duty Framola kit. So we needed to jig down about 40 centimeters, and we filled that with crushed concrete. Then after that we compacted it very well. Then we leveled them, and we used a laser level to set the level across all three bases we was going to install. You need to make sure they're level in all directions and to the right height. We spray some silicone spray, get some easy mix concrete from Wicks, mix that in the wheelbarrow with water and compact it in, and then level it out. It's very easy to do. It's cement and sand ready mixed with aggregate, so you just mix it with water, use a piece of wood to smooth it off, and then trowel finish. A couple of days later we remove the shuttering, undo the bolts, give it a tap with a hammer, and it leaves a really nice premium base. The next step will be checking the measurements and screwing them down. We like to use an M6 concrete screw, so we drill the holes to about 9 centimeters deep and screw them in, very secure. Next step, you're going to take a corner bracket, screw it to the upright post, and then a cross beam to set your position. And we're actually going to use a post base again, screwed directly to the house with the same screws. Makes the job really easy. Slide the post in, check all your levels and measurements, and use our sleeper fit screws to secure them. Next point, you're going to screw the wood to the T bracket, which is the next point. Lift that up, put that into the post base again, and step by step you're going to build the Framola. Just be cautious and to check your levels, make sure everything's perfect and square. Sławek there is putting another post base onto the house, and Chris is screwing up the next corner. If you go step by step, it's a very easy process to make a Framola against a house. Or if you don't have a house to put it up against, or you want it freestanding, you can do that too in the middle. Next, you're going to install the corner brackets on the internals. Gives it a really secure fixing. And there you have it. Easy Saturday's work. As I said before, you can use 4 corner brackets to make this freestanding in the middle of your garden, and different lengths of wood will allow you to make this all different shapes and sizes. On this particular build, it was built for a little animal run, so we installed some plastic mesh, tension wire and a small gate. Really easy to do. We'd love to help you with your project, make it as easy and great as this one. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy our full product range of the Framola bases, and just remember we do these in 4-inch and 6-inch, and you can make the posts any length, so you can make it longer, narrower, and really it allows you to make anything you can imagine. So thanks for watching, hope you have a great day.